Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. In this video I've got yet another product. Not really a gadget, but it's something that you probably need, and it's quite durable, so I was quite keen to sort of share this with you guys. I've just randomly bought this from Lidl, and German product, and very cheap, in fact, about 10 quid. So you hardly find a bike helmet for 10 quid. So I just thought probably worth sharing it with you guys. If you're probably in the market looking for a bike helmet, and you're probably finding those 25 quid, 30 quid bike helmets very expensive. This is just 10 quid and it's available in Lidl, in a store near you. Yeah, so this is essentially the bike helmet. This is what it is. The kind of a bluish color, and it's also got a real light, which is a cherry on top. Okay, so let me open it up and actually okay. Yeah, just before that, quickly just sharing, there's some information on the top which says extreme lightweight and mold construction for high durability and heat resistance. So you can use it in different settings, but I'd probably recommend just to use it for your biking. This is small to medium size. I thought this was probably fine for me because you know, it's quite snug on the head. If you've got slightly a bigger head, you might probably look for large size option. This is a bit snug and sort of doesn't go away, more easier to sort of manage on the head. Mine is not a massive head, so I'm okay with this medium size, I suppose. It's got 13 vents for optimal air circulation, insect screen, shell and detachable visor. And at the back there's a lot of information. With this generally just in English, you'd have this information here that says extremely lightweight in mold construction, etc. All that we just read. Outer shell made from impact resistance polycarbonate, inner shell made from highly shock absorbent EPS material. Insect screen, removable light strip, reflective details, helmet and straps out for better visibility. User friendly, 13 vents, removable, washable inner chip lining. Chin pad, light settings, etc. Continuous flashing, chaser lights, and Uni 6. So this is 54 to 59 centimeters. There's a battery included, which I have actually tried to use already. So let's just take this out of the box. Nothing else other than that on the box. And yeah, this is essentially a picture of the bike light, which you can obviously take out and replace the batteries as well. There is this little thing inside. I'll probably just keep it in. There's no documentation as such. You probably won't need any documentation for a bike helmet. So here it is. It's got this reflector, reflect something, whatever that's called, reflection thingy on the side and on this side. So the reflectives are on either side, and in the front there's these ones. So you have probably people will be able to sort of find you on your way when you're on the road in the dark. So there's some certification, UKCA, which is great, CE certification and GS certification, and quite a few others. But yeah, this is essentially the helmet. It's got a chin guard over here. So opening it up, it's got quite a few options here. This rubber band, sort of to manage the length of the rope on the yard. On this side you also have this adjustment here. It's all fitted on the inside, so it's all running through the insides, and it's all nicely fitted in there, and quite nice, strong and durable. This is how it looks in the front. If you see, this is kind of the look that you're going to get. And this is removable as well. I'm just going to leave it as is. And there's about 13 vents, so that covers off most parts. And there's also the insect repellent, so it's not going to go onto the forehead. Yeah, it's open from this side on these ones, but it's fine. I mean, it doesn't sort of there's this insect repellent that covers off your insect. keeps you away from the insects. I have sort of lost for words. But yeah, there's adjustable the back side, so you can sort of turn and adjust as standard, so there's nothing new here. Pretty much and there's obviously these pads on the inside, so these linings are all covered, so you can also wash them if needed, but they also do provide some sort of a support on the inside. So yeah, it's and there's this inner EPS material and outer some sort of a plastic, sort of a mix of plastic and things. Yeah, but that's really all there is within the helmet, and it's quite durable. I should say it's quite durable. And yeah, just to say, at the back side you've got the bike light, and it says in mold. I don't know if you can see that, in mold. So if that means something to someone, I don't know what that means. In mold is probably the brand, or just some sort of yeah, it's probably a brand. Anyway, but yeah, at the back you've also got this bike light, which I had this little clip to sort of pull out, and the battery started to work, so it's all up and running. So if I press this button, it turns red, so nice and deep red. Pressing this again, flashing red, and again so fast flashing red, like a chaser type, and then again it's all turned off. Yeah, so that's pretty much what this bike helmet is. It's also called, let me just call it out loud. So it's Crivit, as you know, as you can see here, bike helmet with a real light. Crivit, I should have called it earlier on, but it's a small to medium size, 54 to 59 centimeters. And that's, my friends, the bike helmet. If you've got any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. As always, I will get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.